And then we're going to add Porsche to the mix, suspending all... oh, wait a sec. This is different. They're suspending all production. The German manufacturer is pointing to supply chain issues brought on by Russia's invasion. So this now comes into Russia's relationship with the rest of Europe from a supply chain perspective, energy perspective, the way that they interact. And this is going to affect now everyone in the world who wants one of these vehicles.
Right.
Even you, Mo. You get your pre-order in for the 911 GT3. Mm-hmm. Do you know what those things cost, man?
I have no idea.
Good. Don't even look.
Okay.
Don't even look. Car Scoops reports that Porsche is pausing all production because of the situation. An internal memo from within Porsche was posted on Twitter, and it blames supply chain woes for the disruption. The outlet hasn't confirmed the validity of the memo, but if it's taken at face value, it spells trouble for customers waiting for new Porsches. Production will be paused on the new 911 GT3 and GT3 Touring starting March 17th. After that, all other 911 production will be halted on March 31st. Production of the 718, Cayman, and Boxster will be paused. You know what this is going to do, right?
No. What's up?
Well, the value is going to go up on pre-existing models, like Will with his Bronco over there.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about this.
Bronco update.
Everyone's gone. All the viewers left.
I start a clip like this?
Will, we gotta know. We gotta know. Sorry. Now,
This is enormous, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to just finish this up. Car Scoops reports that these cars will join the Cayenne, Macan, Taycan, and Panamera that have already had their production shuttered. So I apologize to anyone that has had one of these on orders that didn't go into production yet. This is deadly for you. It's going to take a while. It's an internal memo. Take it for what it is. Has not been confirmed by the manufacturer as far as the public's concerned. But it looks to me like everything is paused for a while, and these cars are going to get pricey.
Let me ask you this. So you have a Taycan. Would you sell it?
Oh, man. It has... I totally could.
I mean, for like a really good price. Because now would be the time, right?
It would. You just got me thinking.
Yeah.
I mean, I probably...
Actually, don't sell this thing. This thing's so cool.
yeah. I was talking to you about that yesterday. Which one do you
No, I know. It's
driving
nice
more?
to just look at it, honestly. Yeah. It's nice to...
That's what we do.
All of us.
We don't drive it.
No, we just stand there
and like, damn, it's a good looking it's a good looking car. No, but you're right. Like, these things are starting to become investments.
Yeah.
With the way the world is working right now, it's very weird.
Mm-hmm. How many miles does that have?
No, it's probably worth as much as whatever I pay. That's so weird
Yeah.
to think about. And same goes with trucks. Is like, I told you this before, I got a lot of friends who drive trucks, and they would have dealers calling them up saying, can we buy your truck that they bought 6 months ago? And they're saying, we'll pay you more than you paid for it. Is there anything else you can drive in the meantime? Are you interested at all? Because of the amount of demand and the money to be made and the lack of inventory. So anyway, I guess you add Porsche to the list. You think about VW, think about BMW, Mercedes. I wonder how the energy aspect is going to affect these businesses and production, and then parts, and then sanctions, and then just the general just issues that have to do with the changing environment in the world there. I mean, you had chip shortages before any of that happened. You had COVID before any of that happened. It's just been an absolute onslaught.